Here's a detailed, step-by-step ordered guide to unlocking locked-out accounts in Windows 11.
Okay, let's be real. It is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world, being locked out of your own computer. But hey, don't worry, this is your guide to getting back into Windows 11, no sweat. So you're just staring at that login screen, right? Your password isn't working. You feel that little bit of panic setting in. It's a situation we all dread. But if that's you right now, trust me, you were in exactly the right place. That sinking feeling in your stomach? Oh yeah, that's totally normal. But here's the good news. Being locked out is not a dead end. Not at all. Think of it like a locked door. You just need to find the right key. And today, we're going to go through the entire keyring of solutions together. So first up, we're going to start with the most common and honestly the most straightforward fix. This is for that classic, oh no, I totally forgot my password moment. If you did a little bit of prep work in the past, this is your express lane back in. You know, Windows has a built-in safety net for this exact situation. If you see that reset password link, you're in luck. Just give that a click, answer those security questions you set up, and hopefully you remember your first pet's name, and you'll get to create a new password right then and there. And just like that, problem solved. But what if you don't have security questions? Or maybe the problem is something else entirely. All right, let's move on to our next set of tools. This section is for those of you who have a second administrator account on that same PC that you can still log into. Think of it as your secret master key. Now with admin access, you've got two fantastic options. You can take the visual route with a tool called Local Users and Groups. That's all point and click, super simple. Or if you're comfortable typing a little, you can use the command prompt for a really fast direct fix. Let's break them both down. First up, the visual method. This one's perfect if you prefer using your mouse and clicking through menus instead of typing out commands. It's kind of like a dedicated control panel just for managing all the people on your computer. All right, so to make this happen, just follow these steps. First, hit the Windows key plus the R key at the same time to pop open the Run box. Then type in looseusergroup.msc, don't worry about what it means, and hit Enter. From there, just find the account that's locked, open up its properties, and uncheck one little box. Account is locked out. Click Apply, and you are done. It's a clean, surgical fix. Okay, now for the alternative, the power fix. For anybody who just likes getting straight to the point, the command prompt is going to be your best friend. It's fast, it's powerful, and honestly, it feels a little bit like being a cool hacker. You know? In a good way. Now, first things first, you need the right level of access here. You can't just open a regular old command prompt. You have to search for it, right-click on it, and this is the most important part. Choose Run as Administrator. This gives you the power you need to actually make changes to other accounts. And this is it. This single line of text is all you need. Type NetUser, then a space, then the username of the locked account, so you'd replace the placeholder with, say, John Doe or whatever the name is, and then finish it off with /active-yes. Hit Enter. If you see the command completed successfully, congratulations, you just unlocked the account. Okay, but what if your password is correct and you don't have another admin account, but you're still locked out? Well, that suggests a deeper problem, right? Maybe a recent update went wrong or there's a software conflict. For this, we need to call in the specialist, Safe Mode. Getting to Safe Mode actually starts with getting into the Windows recovery environment. The easiest way is right from the sign-in screen. Just hold down your Shift key, then click the little power icon and hit Restart. If that doesn't work, there's always the brute force method. Just force your PC to turn on and on a few times until Windows figures out something's wrong and opens the recovery menu for you. So once you see that blue recovery screen, you know you're on the right track. Just follow the breadcrumbs. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. After a quick restart, you'll get a list of options. All you got to do is press either the 4 or the 5 key on your keyboard, and you'll boot right in to Safe Mode. So why do we go through all that trouble? Well, Safe Mode is basically a diagnostic version of Windows. It only loads the absolute essentials. That means whatever weird third-party software or buggy update is probably causing your lockout, it's disabled. This gives you a totally clean space to work, letting you change your password, uninstall problem programs, and really figure out what's going wrong. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground here, huh? From a simple password reset all the way to advanced troubleshooting. So let's pull it all together for a quick recap. Just think of these as your 4 essential keys to get out of any lockout situation. This little table lays it all out perfectly. If you just forgot your password and you have security questions set up, use the password reset. Easy. If you have admin access, you can choose between the visual Local Users and Groups tool or the super fast command prompt command. And if you think a deeper system error is the real culprit, Safe Mode is your go-to diagnostic toolkit. See? Each key is designed for a very specific type of lock. So there you have it. The power is back in your hands. You're no longer just stuck staring at a locked screen. You're actually equipped with a full set of tools and you know how to use them. The only question left is, which one's the right door for your situation? You've got this.